Dear students, in this short video, we'll see how to add a driver to database project. First of all, what is driver? It is a program which implements a protocol. The protocol which is used for receiving data from the database or pushing data to the database from the Java. These two protocols are Open Database Connectivity and Java Database Connectivity. The ODBC, which is a platform dependent because it is developed using C programming language. JDBC drivers are most suitable one because it permits us to develop program with the platform independent nature, which is one of the feature of Java. There are four different types of drivers. Driver 1, which is also called ODBC, Java driver 2, that is developed with partially written, which is partially written in C language, native language, partially in Java language. Driver 3 and driver 4 both are good to make our application platform independent. In case when your server is somewhere, you want to access it through the network, the suitable driver is driver 4. So for many applications, for most of the application, Java JDBC driver version 4, which type 4 is the good one. As we are using MySQL as backend, the driver which is required depends on MySQL version. For the suitable MySQL version, you have to download proper connector. Here, for my SQL version, the suitable version connector is 8.0.24. The driver is MySQL connector Java 8.0.24, which you have to download it. Now, already we have created a project. Default package was added. One auto-generated file was added, which is the entry point for your program, main program. To that package, we will add some more files. The file which I am going to add, which consists all the codes related to send data to database. Like it is consisting some SQL kind of commands which are embedded in Java programming language. In this video, I am going to show you the part of that is to add JDBC driver. Right click over the package SMS. You will get a menu. Choose new and add Java class. It shows a dialog box to add new Java class. The class which I am going to add to my project is db underscore part, database part. Class name is db part, which is added to the project SMS. The package is SMS. This is the location. Click over finish. It looks like this. A class that is added db part having no particular code. This particular line shows that this class is added to the package SMS. As you can see in the project explorer, two classes were added, one just now, one previous. This SMS is the entry point DB part just now added Java class. To test the driver, we have to see whether particular driver found particular driver being added to the project or not. So for that we need to use some classes related to Java JDBC operations. So we have added a class called dbpart. This is a very much important line. We're going to use connection object. The class is connection. Public static connection variable com equal to null. I'm setting this to static because in the other class also I must be able to access it. I will not be using too many different copies of connection. With one connection, I'm going to with one connection object, I'm going to access the database. This connection object is just like a virtual copy of the database. Once you are able to log in, now you can access the database. You can access the table. You can manipulate the table. Here also same thing. This is a virtual database that can be used in Java code. It is possible only with the proper login. We'll see that in the next video. So here I'm adding one method which is returning string. If suitable driver found, then you're going to return with the proper message. Suppose the driver is not added to the project, return some other suitable message. Driver for MySQL. This is the way. This is the driver to be checked, which is for MySQL. Okay. com dot mysql dot cj dot jdbc dot driver. This is the main driver, main protocol, sub protocol, or in general, the driver to be tested. The previously which I have shown earlier, this particular thing if not added, then you will get the error exception, that exception is raised. If exception is raised, then returns this particular message. Okay, so you are handling all this with the help of try catch. Try look for this particular driver class. If not there, return this address. This particular code you have to add to dbpart class. You have one more method, driver test, which returns string driver found if driver is added to the project, otherwise some other message, just to indicate whether driver found or not. This particular code need to be executed only once. Once the driver is added, you need not call this particular method. This is a code you can copy that to your project. While doing so, you cannot execute. Show some error message. That error is indicated like this. As I told, connection is one such reference variable, which is a class which holds all the related information. Who is the user? What is the password? All those informations contained in this particular virtual database shows the error. To clear that one, you have to right click over here on this bulb mark. You have to right click. Then you have to choose add import sun.jda.connect.sp connection. Otherwise, mysql dot. That is also correct. Okay. So that will be automatically added on click of this particular package. Suitable class will be added to that particular file. So whenever you get this kind of error, right click, not left click, right click and choose the class or the package that is to be added. Now we have got two different classes. One is SMS, other one is DB part. SMS is the entry point, DB part where it has got the code to check the connection, to validate the driver. All those things are there. Right now we have added only one code, that is to test the driver. We have to call that driver testing part from the main program. So this particular class is public. Okay. This particular class is public. This particular class has got a method called driver test, which is also public and static. Without creating the instance of DB part, one must be able to access this particular method. That can be done by calling driver test like db underscore part dot driver test. As you can see here, db underscore part dot driver test. This returns a string. It can be driver phone or some other error message. Based on that, I'm going to take the decision whether to add the driver if not added, or to go ahead if driver found, that I'm going to display it. This code can be used. You can copy that to your main program. Then run the file. Right click over this entry file. Always have this kind of way, a method to run the program. Right click over the file to be executed. My entry point is the main file. Right click over it, run. When you start running, it starts executing db part, which is called from the main program. As it's a brand new project, the driver is not yet added, so it returns the string class not found here. So which is the result of exception. Class is not, driver class is not there, so it returns the error message. Now database developer work starts. For that, you have to right click over libraries. Choose add jar folder. As we have already downloaded that connector file, it might be there in download folder or anywhere, that you have to add to the project. Add jar folder. In my case, put all the driver in one folder. As you can see, this is a driver. You can see the symbol, Java symbol, coffee cup mark, MySQL connected Java 8.0.24. Click over open. First you select it, click over open. Okay. So that means this particular jar you are going to add to the project. After adding that particular driver file, you can see in the libraries the newly added jar file. Now rerun this program. So as we added just now, the driver shows driver found. So that completes driver testing. If you get this, then only you can develop database related project. Suppose you are using some other database package like MySQL Server, suitable driver you have to add. SQLite, the driver equivalent to SQLite you have to add it. Okay, like that. Oracle if you are using, then this particular one line you have to change. Okay, by searching it in the internet, you will get what driver to be added. Okay, so for each of the package, you have to have its own driver file. Then, once that is tested, these two lines are not required at all. You can comment it. Don't delete it, comment it. Okay? This is how driver can be tested. In the next video, we'll see how to connect to the database, how to create that virtual connection. Wait for the next video. Thank you.